Sorry.
Alright. Keep concentrating.
Yeah.
Was he behind your pillar?
I didn't even see him.
You're right. Was he behind that pillar to your right, do you think?
Don't know.
Probably.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or it's maybe back in the house.
Chill, don't worry. You got it. That's what everyone's there for, but that's how easily it can, well, that's what I'm there for, but that's how easily it can go wrong. So chill, it's not a problem. Go on ahead at the roundabout, please.
But I wouldn't indicate.
Good. Just deal with this. Good job. Would a signal help that Fiesta over there?
Yeah.
It would. Alright, so how can we get that situation a little better with that guy? What do you think? Looking more. Okay. So he wasn't paying any attention, was he?
No.
Absolutely zero. And that would have been quite close if I hadn't have been there.
Yeah.
To splat, wouldn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I feel like the baby's just done a proper somersault.
Try and chill out. We don't want you having the baby in the car, Terry. But yeah, it is. It's an important situation.
Yeah.
But the key is these pillars get in the way, don't they? And what you've got to ensure is that you're moving your head and you're moving in your seat. You're not static. You're not grabbing that wheel.
Yeah.
And just looking at one thing. You've got to move so you actually get your best view. All right?
Yeah.
Chill. We sorted it.